Want to know how to keep everyone on the same page using Asana and stay organized with your team? In this quick video, I'll show you how this powerful tool can make collaboration effortless. Stick around to the end, because I'll also tell you how you can try Asana for free with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. First things first, the beauty of Asana is that it centralizes all your team's tasks, projects, and communication in one place. No more juggling between different tools or losing track of who's doing what. You'll have everything neatly organized and easy to access. Next thing, Asana's task management system is incredibly flexible. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in real time. You can even attach files or leave comments right within a task to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. This is a game changer for keeping everyone on the same page and aligned toward the same goals. The third thing you need to know is that Asana allows you to create custom workflows and views to suit your team's specific needs. Whether you prefer working in lists, boards, or calendars, Asana lets you organize projects in the way that works best for you. Customizable dashboards ensure you can monitor all your projects at a glance, so you're always in the loop. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Asana has some great features that allow for seamless teamwork. You can mention teammates in comments, update task statuses, and even set up recurring tasks for those regular check-ins. The real-time updates ensure that everyone stays in the know, no matter where they are. Next up, Asana's reporting features will save you time and help you stay ahead. You can generate detailed reports to track progress, pinpoint bottlenecks, and ensure deadlines are being met. This is perfect for maintaining transparency and ensuring that everyone is working toward the same target. The final point, and one of my personal favorites, is the ability to integrate Asana with other tools you might already be using, like Slack, Google Drive, or Microsoft Teams. This keeps your workflow smooth and prevents you from jumping between different apps. To wrap it up, Asana is an incredibly powerful tool that will help you keep everyone on the same page. Whether you're managing a small team or large-scale projects, it provides everything you need to stay organized and collaborative. Remember, you can use this software for free by clicking the first link in the description below, and don't forget about our exclusive bonuses. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing productivity with Asana.